Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good morning. Such a beautiful, beautiful morning. Some friends would like to see some of my childhood snack. So this is one of them. 绿豆炒糕, 绿豆糕. So I have some boiling water. Now let's put it in. That should do it. To avoid too much noise, I use a bamboo spoon. So let me explain it a little bit. You use hot water, it becomes a little bit starchy like a gravy. And this is when I was young. My mother always, not always, in special event, usually we do not eat snack. And we have 4 children in the family, so we are not so rich to buy snacks, which is quite a good thing in comparison for our health, right? So this is 绿豆糕. 绿豆 is green mung bean. It's the green color mung bean, and they boil the mung bean. They boil the bean. I do not have it right now. And in Beijing, when I was young, our family always have these beans. And we boil it long time with rice. So 绿豆粥 rice soup. And this one does not have rice. It's the mung bean by itself. Boil for a long time and then smash it, become very, very smooth. And then dry it. I do not know how they dry it. Evaporate or something. With sugar, it becomes like this. It becomes like this. And then they sell this way. If you eat, you can eat directly like that. I think one of my sister likes to eat everything dry. And my mother and myself, I like to eat something very liquidy. I always like to drink soups, congees. That's one of my preference. So this is sweet, and sometimes they put a little bit of 桂花, osmanthus, so it has the osmanthus flavor. And otherwise, they do not put too much other fragrance. It's very pure. I enjoy it very much. I will drink it with my metal spoon, and it's so very good. Oh my goodness, this is my childhood. And it is a little bit sandy, sablé feeling, because it's green bean grinded smooth. It's not totally as smooth as flour. So you can feel a little bit of the sandy, the mealy, the grainy of it. It's wonderful, wonderful. Sweet, but not too sweet. So good. That's my childhood snack. I have some other childhood snack also, this is one of them. So these are, I think, black sesame and sugar, and they make it into like a peanut butter, like a peanut, grained peanut, right? The flour, and then combine with sugar and press it a little bit moist. Next time we will eat it. This is from Huangshan, my travel. This one is from Beijing, and it's wafer. Okay, I will use my finger, I cleaned. So it's this kind of wafer, and inside is, I think it's a sesame, sweet sesame, or maybe peanut, sesame and sugar combined cream filling inside. It's very, very delicious. I will eat it another time since I have this soup that I can enjoy. That is my childhood enjoyment. We usually do not eat cakes, snacks, and when I got sick, I had the chance. My mom will spend some money to buy special treat. So when I was young, I actually have a secret wish to get sick. But unfortunately, I was too healthy, and I rarely have chance to eat sweet things. The disadvantage of being healthy. Okay, bye-bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do. Gulu gulu bye bye. And this one, I don't think it's imported in the local Chinese market. Maybe because I do not know. I haven't found it. The only way to eat it is to go back to Beijing and buy it and eat it. So this time I brought back a couple of it. It's very special. We went to see my mom, and we went to the cemetery with my family, with my sisters, and we give flour and some of the snacks, and ate some of the snacks, and this is part of that ceremony. Yeah, it's very special. Bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do.